What?
All right, friends. If we could, let's put this science experiment to the side and we will get started with our other one. And this is something you guys can experiment more with the same ideas after our class is done, okay? Maybe you can ask yourself questions like, what would happen if I put something else in the water? What would the egg do if I put soap in the water? What would the egg do if I put, what else? Baking soda. Okay, so I see Carson is listening. Carson is ready. I see Amelia is listening. Amelia is ready. Can I have Marley and Lillian move those science experiments to the side, please? Thank you, Marley. Yes, nice, Lillian. Lillian's cleaning up her area to make sure that she is ready. Okay, I'm going to wait for Marley.
I'm gonna wait for everyone.
Yeah, that's what we do, right? Excellent. Thank you, Marley. I really love your hair, Marley. Okay, now we just did a science experiment. We just asked ourselves why, right? Now we are going to do some chemistry. And what we are going to do is tell the difference between a liquid, a solid, and a gas, okay? And how two things put together can make a third thing. Very interesting. All right, does everybody have vinegar?
Vinegar?
Yeah, let's put the vinegar in front of you.
Smells. What's that?
Yeah, I'm hearing lots of comments about the smells.
Ooh.
Ooh. Oh, it's very strong. Amelia, what does your vinegar smell like?
It smells gross.
It smells gross. What does yours smell like, Marley? Does it smell good or not good? Oh, she's taking the wrapper off of hers. Okay. Yeah, I agree. Vinegar does not smell very good. What do you, oh, I saw Marley's face. What does that smell like, Marley? Not good? Yeah, that's what everybody's saying. Okay. Now, does everybody have food coloring? Okay. Can you pick?
We have Jell-O.
Oh, nice. Okay. So everybody put in, let's say, 4 drops of your favorite color. And Amelia, you're going to pour just a little bit of your Jell-O into your vinegar and then stir it up. Okay?
4 drops?
4 drops into your vinegar and then stir it up.
I'm going to start with blue.
Okay.
I'm gonna make that into something more.
Not too much.
We're just gonna put
Marley, did you put food coloring into your vinegar?
I think I did too much.
We're gonna make it.
There were big puddles on the bottom.
That's okay. Stir it up very gently.
I'm going to start it up with
Yeah, there is nothing.
Marley, did you put food coloring into your vinegar? All
I'm
right.
not gonna eat it.
No, we're not going to eat this.
Smells good?
It smells good now? Oh, interesting.
Smells like strawberry.
Ah, it smells like strawberries. That's what Amelia said too. Okay, stir it up very gently.
Look
And
at it. Smells
Marley,
disgusting.
Marley, if you don't have a spoon that fits in there, you can swirl it around very gently, like this. Oh, perfect. Perfect. Stir it up just to mix that color in there. Okay, and put your spoons down.
What's all in there?
That smells good like strawberry.
Okay, we're waiting for everybody to be ready. Spoons down.
I have a dark color. The more I get, the better.
Excellent. Okay, good observation, Abigail. Okay, now, does everybody have baking soda?
Yeah.
Let's put that in front of you. Yeah, don't do anything with it yet. I would like you to smell it. What does it smell like?
Nothing.
Nothing?
It smells like nothing. Like nothing.
Okay, nothing. Okay, now feel it. Touch it.
I feel
What does
it.
it feel like?
Is
Put
it
your spoons down.
It's solid. It feels
Feels soft.
Soft. It feels
Silky.
soft.
silky
Nice.
like a blanket.
Yeah, like a soft blanket. Very nice.
No.
Okay, now I'm going to ask you a question. We've done this experiment before, so I want to see if you guys remember. Does anybody remember what happens when we put the vinegar with the baking soda?
It explodes.
It does. Okay, now here's my second question. Who can tell me, raise your hand if you know, which one of these is a liquid?
Baking soda.
Raise your hand if you know which one of these is a liquid. Lillian.
The vinegar.
Vinegar is a liquid, yes. And raise your hand if you know which one is a solid. Carson.
It's solid.
Back.
Which one is a solid? Abigail.
The
The baking soda is a solid. Very good. Now what we are going to do when we combine these is we're going to make a gas. When these two come together, they make a gas.
No what?
Okay, now I'm waiting for all eyes on me because this next part is very important. Nice, Amelia, thank you. Okay, does everybody have a large tray so that if something spills, it will catch it. It will catch the liquid. I see Marley has one in front of her. I see Lillian has one in front of her. Good, I see Amelia's putting one in front of her.
Yeah.
And I can't, oh, good, Abigail, okay. And Carson, do you have a large bowl or a tray that's going to catch this liquid?
No, so it's in the bottom. That's
Okay. Just a minute, please. Vivian, do you have a tray or like a large casserole dish that he can,
This big one.
because this is going to get, yes, that's good. That's good. Okay, don't put anything in there yet. Remember, this is very important that you listen. Okay, I'm going to have, Lillian, can you put that big white bowl on top of the, inside the tray? Move your liquid and solid out. There, then we can catch any overflow. Okay, Carson, put the empty bowl in front of you, not the soda. Put the empty bowl in front of you.
It's really.
Mommy, I have those science goggles.
Okay,
Where is
Marley,
that?
can you take everything out of
In
your,
your workroom.
wait. Yes, take everything out of your big tray, Marley. Okay, now only put an empty bowl in there.
Oh, only in the empty bowl.
There we go. Okay, beautiful, beautiful. Okay, now I would like you to put two, let's do two big scoops of baking soda in that empty bowl. We'll do enough to get a reaction, but not to overflow for the first one. Okay, so are we putting in the liquid or the solid?
The solid.
The solid, good. Okay, everybody done? Eyes on me. Give me a thumbs up. Let me know you did it. Good, excellent. I'm waiting for Marley.
No, sideways.
Thumbs sideways.
That makes
Good measuring, Marley. I could tell you help your mommy cook. Very good. Okay, now we're going to put one spoonful of vinegar in there. So if you take your spoon and just scoop it out, you can do that, or you can pour it in. There we go. And then pour it on top. What's happening?
Yes.
Blue.
It's blue, and what's happening? Is it doing anything?
Mine's pink.
I need more.
Is it making bubbles?
Making noise.
Is it not? Oh, it's making noise?
Yeah.
Okay, pour some more vinegar in there, see what happens. Keep pouring more.
No, both of them.
What's happening?
It's exploding.
It's exploding. It is making gas. Do you see all those bubbles? That is gas.
No.
Yeah,
It
it doesn't
smells
smell.
like gas.
It doesn't smell very good, does it? But it is fun to watch.
Mine smells like strawberry.
It does. That's because you use Jell-O. That was a great idea. All right, keep pouring. You can experiment with this now. You have just made a gas. You used a solid and a liquid to make a gas.
Hopefully it doesn't splatter on me.
Yeah, be careful. Yeah. What will happen if you add more baking soda?
Yeah, you can use it.
And what will happen if you add more vinegar? I wonder. Watching these mines. Nice.
Whoa, this
Oh, Abigail. Yeah.
the whole thing. That's what
Look it.
What's happening, Amelia? Look at what? What's happening? It looks like a milkshake.
milkshake. Listen to that sizzle.
Oh, Marley. What's happening?
Really not.
It's blowing up. You guys just made gas. Look at that.
Oh my God, got one.
What happens when you stir it, Abigail?
It makes like little bubbles.
Little bubbles? And what is happening to yours?
Like some blue one.
Abigail's going to add more color to hers.
I'm gonna add just like the more
Oh,
you get.
Okay, I wonder what that will do.
You want more?
I think I want to do the blue one.
You want more baking soda? Honey, you can use it.
I'm just gonna add some red.
Look, I see everybody adding more ingredients and changing things. Carson, try pouring. Vivian, can you help him pour the vinegar to get a bigger reaction? But not the whole thing.
All right.
More vinegar.
Before you mix it up, let's see what happens.
Stand back.
I don't want to get exploded. Come on back here.
You're okay, Carson. You're okay. All it would be is messy. There's nothing to hurt you in these.
I'm just gonna add a little.
You can even touch it with your fingers if you want. It just smells yucky, that's all. What is happening when you add more ingredients? Look at you guys experimenting. Very nice.
I like watching this explode.
Me too. I'm so glad. And you guys are so careful. I don't see any messes.
A reaction. I want more baking soda. That's why I have some more.
Very nice.
I
I see lots of spoons working. You guys made a volcano, a mini volcano.
It doesn't look like exploding.
Yeah.
That looks cool. Abby.
Remove my water.
You turned a liquid and a solid into a gas. You guys are scientists and chemists.
You see what happens? Follow me?
No.
Show me. Sure.
So when you add baking soda and at the same time, mix like this.
Oh, very cool, Abigail. Why do you think that's happening?
I know.
Let me show you how we make it.
Okay.
Can you just see me?
Yes, I can.
So first
You
step,
don't really have to dump this in
wipe it
right?
off.
No. We can
Okay.
Yeah, any food coloring.
Okay.
Blue.
Keisha, you have a scientist on your hands here.
Okay, then this, and then when you drop little ones,
Yes. Oh, yes.
feels like strong ice cream.
It smells like ice cream?
It feels like.
Oh, it feels like strong ice cream.
Now
Interesting.
Mine is like smooth. Yes.
How does it feel?
What's happening, Abigail?
Mine is very smooth.
It's smooth. Amelia, you've been working really
Yeah.
hard on yours. What is yours? Oh, that's cool. Look at that, Abigail. What is happening to yours, Amelia?
I was taking soda.
I wonder what happened to it. I didn't. What was the
Amelia, can you hear me?
Irony?
Can you tell me? Can you tell me what's happening? Yours is very pretty. Look at that pink color. Oh, there it goes, Carson. Excellent. Look at that reaction. What's happening, Lillian?
It's exploding.
It's exploding. Carson, look at the two different layers you have. Do you see how it's light blue at the bottom and then liquid on the top? Very neat. And Marley, you are measuring it out so nicely.
A little bit, just a little bit.
It's very gooey.
It's very gooey.
Now we